Ladies, you don't have to buy a new wig each time you get a new invite. You know, there are those days when somebody asks you out or somebody invites you to a baby shower, a little get together, a party, something like that. But you have to constantly think about what is it that I'm going to do to my hair? I'm sure if you already have wigs or if you don't have one, I can surely recommend some for you. I have that linked in my bio. But what you can do is to restyle your existing. So this is a not body wave, a deep wave 18-inch that I have. I trimmed it a little bit so it might be sitting more like a 16-inch right now. But just dropping some braids at the front and doing like a half up, half down. If you wore it with a wet, more defined curls where you kind of mousse your hair and use curl activator and water before, what you want to do is to get a big tooth comb and comb it out. So you're going to get a more dry, puffy afro style as opposed to what it would have looked like originally. And then there you go, a brand new style for a brand new event. All right, if you like this tip and if you like this style, be sure to leave a comment, like, and give me a follow.